My goal is to help you do everything you can to beat cancer or stay in cancer remission. But what you'll be learning in this video can also save you time and money. I'm going to share with you 5 delicious and inexpensive drinks you can make at home that are packed with cancer-fighting ingredients like antioxidants and phytonutrients that reduce inflammation and strengthen your immune system to attack cancer cells. And the reason I mentioned that this can also save you time and money is because often what happens is that cancer survivors search online for things they can eat or drink to kill cancer cells, but unfortunately they get sucked into scams of people trying to sell a magic supplement or herbs that are supposed to cure cancer. I mean, I don't blame you for believing these very convincing ads. Of course you want to do everything you can to beat cancer regardless of the cost, but my concern is that you'll find something that will not only waste your money, but that can also be very dangerous to your health. I've been working in oncology for over 16 years and I've been studying cancer nutrition for just as long. I've seen firsthand how well people do throughout treatment if they adopt a healthy diet that doesn't necessarily include any supplements, but simply a healthy diet full of cancer-fighting foods. And I know, I get it, it's much easier to take a supplement than making massive changes to your diet and never enjoying a donut again, but it doesn't have to be that way. It's not hard to sneak cancer-fighting foods into your meals and find healthier alternatives to any processed foods that you're eating regularly. Plus, I'm here to help you do it. The drinks I'll be sharing with you are full of antioxidants and nutrients that are scientifically proven to help your body fight off cancer cells and other illnesses. And they'll give your immune system a boost, which is also really important if you're still going through cancer treatment or have recently finished, because it will help your body heal and have less treatment side effects. Hydration is the most important yet underrated way of detoxing your body. I can't even tell you how many patients hate drinking water or forget to or don't have the time to. So I'm here to tell you to make the time because it's one of the best things you can do for yourself after cancer. And even if you hate drinking water, the 5th cancer-fighting drink I'll be showing you is an easy way to make your water taste great without adding any sugar or calories, so you'll be much more likely to drink it. So without further ado, let's get into drink number 1, which is called golden milk. I know that sounds kind of gross. I prefer to call it a turmeric latte. Turmeric is arguably the most powerful anti-inflammatory superfood on the planet. And in this drink we have other cancer-fighting ingredients like ginger, cinnamon, and most importantly black pepper, which contains something called piperine that will really help your body absorb the benefits from turmeric. You can either use a recipe like the one I'll be linking for you below, or you can buy a powder like this one. I bought it at Whole Foods and it's a powder that contains cinnamon, turmeric powder, cardamom, organic ginger, and black pepper. You mix a teaspoon of it with a cup of warm milk and it's really delicious before bed. Studies have shown that turmeric can not only contribute to the death of cancer cells, it can also reduce the growth of new blood vessels and tumors and keep cancer cells from spreading. Now, if that's not enough reason for you to try this drink, I don't know what is. Cancer-fighting drink number 2, a berry spinach smoothie. I'm sure you've heard of the phrase, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, that's actually way more true for berries. Both blueberries and spinach are renowned for their high antioxidant content, making them powerful allies in the fight against oxidative stress. By making a blueberry spinach smoothie 3 to 4 times a week, you can provide your body with a steady supply of these protective compounds to significantly reduce your risk of oxidative stress that leads to cellular damage. I try to eat a handful of berries every single day, and if you don't have time to make a smoothie, try to keep washed berries in your fridge at all times, so you can just go in and grab some when you feel like having a snack. Both blueberries and spinach are also rich in immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. You will need a blender to make this smoothie, and you will want to blend it well so you don't taste the spinach in it. Aside from that, all you'll need is some Greek yogurt, spinach, blueberries, milk, and a banana. 5 simple ingredients that will only take you 5 minutes to throw together, and it will do your body wonders. You can either have it for breakfast or a late night snack, so I'll link this recipe below for you. Cancer drink number 3, the Detox Ginger Lemon Turmeric Tea. Say that 5 times fast. Now, I'm not talking about the ginger lemon flavored tea bags you can buy at the grocery store. This tea is the real deal. It has pieces of fresh turmeric and ginger root and freshly squeezed lemon. You may have heard of this tea before because it's widely known as a homemade detox tea that supports your immune system and maintains a healthy digestive system. It's a great home remedy for a cold, sore throat, or a sinus infection. You also may have heard of the benefits of starting your day off with a glass of warm lemon water. This is because it's been proven to aid in digestion, provide a good source of vitamin C, and effectively hydrate your body. So this detox tea is even better with the additional ingredients like soothing ginger, anti-inflammatory turmeric, metabolism-boosting cayenne pepper, and infection-fighting cinnamon. Although it's called a detox tea, I want to be clear that it's not a cleanse or a meal replacement, but it's designed to support a healthy gut and immune system. I drink this tea daily. If you Google a recipe for it, most of them also contain honey. I personally find that it tastes great without honey, but you can be the judge of that. I'm linking the recipe for you below, and it's so easy to make that I suggest you give it a try as soon as possible. Cancer-fighting drink number 4, the apple carrot beet smoothie. Now, in full transparency, all the recipes I'm sharing with you are not my own. I'm by no means a chef. So the apple carrot beet smoothie I'm sharing with you is from Ology, and it's so delicious and so detoxifying and so jam-packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients that I recommend it to all my patients. This drink is naturally sweet, so it can be the perfect alternative to dessert or if you're just craving something sweet after dinner. Similar to berries and spinach, apples, carrots, and beets are all brimming with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and immune-boosting vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, and zinc. So by having this smoothie regularly, you're not only helping your body fight off cancer cells, but all other illnesses as well. Beets in particular contain betalains, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory effects. They're also low in calories and a great source of folate and potassium. The potassium in both carrots and beets will support your heart health and help to regulate your blood pressure. A lot of people think that this smoothie is a juice and that you need a juicer to make it, but what's great is that it's actually a smoothie. It's made in a blender, and since you blend the entire fruit or vegetable, it's a thicker drink, but you'll also benefit from all the fiber in it. Apples, carrots, and beets are all higher in sugar than other fruits and vegetables, but because they also contain insoluble fiber, they don't cause your blood sugar to spike and then drop like it does when you're eating refined sugar. It's digested more slowly, and it will do your digestive system and gut a world of good. Fiber is so important for removing toxins from your body and helping to regulate your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. So this drink would be especially beneficial if you're just finishing chemotherapy treatment to help remove some of the harsh toxins from these drugs. As per experts, having this drink on an empty stomach will help to better detoxify and flush out toxins and help with hydration. That leads us to cancer-fighting drink number 5, infused water. Remember at the beginning of the video when I promised to give you a recipe for a low-calorie, sugar-free way of making water taste better? You may have already heard of infused water before because it's been pretty trendy for a while now. If not, get ready to be blown away and enjoy drinking water from here on out. I'm going to be really honest here though. I don't personally think that infused water is much healthier than plain old water, but if it helps you to drink more fluids and stay hydrated throughout the day, it's well worth your time to make it. It's said that women should be drinking around 10 cups of water a day and men 13 cups a day to stay properly hydrated. Most people don't drink nearly that much. And coffee, tea, or caffeinated beverages don't count because they dehydrate you. So if you fall short on drinking water, or if you just want to make your water taste better, I highly recommend trying infused water. Basically, all it is adding your favorite fruits, vegetables, or herbs to a jug of water and letting it sit overnight so that some of their flavors and nutrients seep into the water, infusing it with taste. You can make different variations like kiwi, watermelon, lime, strawberry and mint, pineapple and coconut, or orange, blueberry and ginger. The infused water can be refrigerated for up to 4 days, but you should remove the fruits and vegetables after 24 hours to prevent bacteria from growing. It's never too late to start making healthy changes, and even making small changes are better than none. By having 1 or 2 of these cancer-fighting drinks at least a few times a week, you can not only decrease the amount of inflammation in your body, but you can also ward off colds or other illnesses, and most importantly, you'll be taking proactive steps to becoming cancer-free or staying in remission. I'll link another video here for you to watch next called How to Beat Cancer Fatigue and Boost Your Energy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.